Assembly instructions for your Creative Mark canvas print rack. Please note it's best to work on the floor or a soft surface like carpet or blanket. Step 1. Insert both long support rods B into the open holes on the taller leg of part A1. Secure them with 2 bolts D using the Allen wrench for tightening. Step 2. Attach the shorter support rod, C, to the shorter leg of part A1 using another bolt, D. Step 3. Insert the 2 connecting poles, E, into the top openings of the left side legs, A1. Step 4. Match up the sewn channels of the canvas support fabric F with the corresponding support rods B and C. The fabric should be folded with the shiny side of the fabric facing out. Then, slide the canvas support fabric F over the corresponding rods B and C. As the rods slide into place, the corresponding connecting poles E also need to slide into the larger channels at the top of the fabric. You may need to slide each rod and pole in a little at a time. Please note, the upper long support rod B should pass behind or outside the fabric cover F. Step 5. Align the other end of the support rods B and C and connecting poles E with the corresponding holes of the right side legs A2 and secure them with the final 3 bolts D.